here is grade 7, module 14, lesson 3. Our I can statement for today is I can find the experimental probability of a compound event. So a compound event is an event that is made up of two or more simple events. So for example, a baseball team's uniform is made up of a hat and one of two colors, and a jersey in one of three colors. So team members can either wear a black hat, which is what we have up here. We have a black hat with a black, yellow, or white jersey, or they can wear a yellow hat with a black, yellow, or white jersey. And we find that there are 6 different uniform combinations. Okay, so that is our compound event. So we have Cassie here. She's selling candles during the first week of a band fundraiser. So how many candles did she sell? If we add up our 9, 9, 5, 3, 2, 5, 1, we end up with 25. And how many types of candles, which is the possible number of all outcomes, are there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible outcomes. So you could have a white small, white medium, white large, pink small, pink medium, or pink large. Now, what is the experimental probability that a customer buys a small pink candle? So based off of just this week of fundraising, what is the probability that a customer buys a small pink candle? So we're going to go to number of small pink candles sold. So small pink candles sold. So it'll be 5. And then our total of 25. We're going to simplify that fraction. 5 goes into my numerator, 5 goes into my denominator to get 1/5, or 20%. Okay, what is the experimental probability that Cassie's next customer did not buy a small pink candle? So this is where we're doing a little bit different. You're going to do 1 minus that amount. So 1 minus that 5/25 will give you 20 25ths, or that leftover piece, kind of like the complement from our previous lesson, which is 4/5, which is 80%. Okay, so 1 minus that probability will give you that not piece. All right, at a diner, a customer can order either 1 or 2 scrambled eggs or 1 or 2 fried eggs. A waiter took 8 orders for 1 scrambled egg, 22 orders for 2 scrambled eggs, 6 orders for 1 fried egg, and 14 orders for 2 fried eggs. So how many possible outcomes are in the sample space? So we have our yellow, our pink, our orange, and our green. So we have 4 possible outcomes in this sample space. And then can you add those up? What is the total number of egg orders? Pause the video. When you add all those up, we have 50 as our total number. So what is the experimental probability that a customer ordered 2 scrambled eggs? So 2 scrambled eggs would be what's in the pink. So we have 22 out of our total, which would be 50. We can simplify that to be 11/25. And then if we wanted to go to percent, which is what it's asking us to do, that would be 25 into 11, doing some division. When we do that, we are careful with our decimals, all that good stuff, we would get 44%. Now, what is the experimental probability that somebody ordered a boiled egg? Read through those directions. Did anybody order a boiled egg? Nah, nobody did. So 0 out of 50 would be 0%. That is not going to happen. All right, last one. I want you to try it on your own. What is the experimental probability that a customer will not order a single fried egg? So not order a single fried egg. So what's everything except this part in the orange? Pause the video, give it a shot on your own. You need a fraction and a percent. All right, so our experimental probability would be 44 out of 50. We could simplify that to be 22 out of 25. So that's a pretty high amount. That's almost 100%, almost 1. When we do our division, 44, or you could do 44/50ths. What is that out of 100? What is that out of 100? Times 2 would be 88. So 88 out of 100 would be 88% not ordering a single fried egg. So with these problems, be very careful, friends, that you are answering the right question. Don't read too quickly and go, okay, all right, 6 out of 50, that's the single fried egg. Just be careful. They'll do that where it says not. They'll do, what did they order? What did they order? What did they not order? Okay, so read those directions carefully. Make sure you are answering the right question.